Johnmeny imparts making learning accessible.
Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the equation 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step, providing clear explanations for each calculation along the way. To begin solving the equation, we start by isolating the variable x. By subtracting 4 from both sides of the equation, we are able to remove the constant term on one side, leaving us with 2x equals 2. The next step is to solve for x by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. This will result in x equals 1, which is the value that satisfies the equation 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. By following these precise steps, you can successfully solve equations like 2x plus 4 is equal to 6 with confidence and accuracy. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more math tutorials on our channel.